Hi guys, I just received this thank you card for a Happy New Year and be part of a Weaviate community. It's quite remarkable because they ship it to me and it's also included this wonderful comic book that it really blew my mind because the story is created by human, as you can see, but everything inside here, the images are AI generated and the quality is remarkable. As you can see here, all the scenery are created with character, labels, and captions. And it's a very interesting story about how you can leverage the AI technology with your data. It's quite interesting, and if you don't have it, there is an ebook version of this, but I think that having the paper printed edition is quite nice. I don't want to spoil you all the story, but what really catches my attention is this, the glossary, the differences between hybrid search, semantic search, and how you can leverage RAG, the Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Found very interesting, so thank you, Weaviate, and I mean, it's pretty cool that you made this wonderful leaflet and ship it to me. Also, there are some stickers. I don't know why they create a Keep AI wheel. Sounds cool, but probably just for catching the attention. And I like the mascot, the frog. That's super cool. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful 2025 and let's rock in 2025. Thank you. Bye.